Hello there, it's me again. Let's look what's in our fridge today. We just woke up in the middle of the night and we are looking for some snacks. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a couple of statements and you tell me if they are true or false. So you can write this in your notebook. Go ahead and get your notebook out and numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for the answers, you will only write true or false. Let me give you an example. So this is just an example. You don't have to write anything down. Okay. There are 2 boxes in the fridge. True or false? So you should have searched the fridge and true. Yes, there are 2 boxes in the fridge. It is that simple. All right, are you ready for number 1? Remember, you can always rewind or pause the video if necessary. I'm going to stay down here in this little door. Number 1. There are some eggs in the fridge. There are some eggs in the fridge. Number 2. There are some grapes in the fridge. There are some grapes in the fridge. Number 3, there is some cheese in the fridge. There is some cheese in the fridge. Number 4, there aren't any bell peppers in the fridge. There aren't any bell peppers in the fridge. Number 5, there isn't any water in the fridge. There isn't any water in the fridge. Okay, now pause the video and tell me that you are ready in the group. I will tell you when you can resume this video. Resume. Okay, now let's go over the answers. So for number 1, there are some eggs. That is true. The eggs are on the top shelf. If you haven't seen, they're on the top up there. Okay, so that one is true. Number 2, there are some grapes. That one is also true. The grapes are up top right here. Grapes. How are we doing so far? Number 3, there is some cheese. True. There's some cheese right here. Number 4, there aren't any bell peppers. False. We have bell peppers right here. These are red bell peppers. Number 5, there isn't any water. False. We have bottled water up here. So I guess you did great, right? Let me know your results. Have a nice day.